Another enhancement that clients ask for is when it comes to a helix. Now, as you can see here on the left hand side, that presents a ramp for that matter. My bottom radius is the same as my top radius, and on the right hand side is my bottom radius 5000 and my top radius is 1000. So we're going to recreate these two profiles. So the command I'm going to introduce to you is under drawn. We go down to 3D parameters, and then you'll see there's a new command added that's called helix. So I'm going to click on the command. Caddie will ask us specify center point for base, so indicate the start point. Then you can indicate, but we want to be specific. Caddie asks us specify base radius, it's going to be 5000, and I press enter. Then Caddie asks us specify top radius, I'm going to make it 5000 as well. And as you can see, now I can drag it manually, or I can give it a height, and I'm going to say 20,000, and I press enter. So that's the first profile. Then I'm going to press spacebar, indicate the base point. I'm going to give it a radius of 5000 as well, but my bottom radius is 5000, my top radius I'm going to make that 1000. And as you can see, I can drag it manually, or we can be specific again, and I'm going to say make it the same height, 20,000. So there's the two helixes that we've created. So now we're going to ask Caddie to apply these two profiles to those helix. So the command is under draw, 3D solid, and we're going to ask Caddie to sweep. Caddie asks us indicate close to the curve. So I'm going to zoom in. This is the profile I would like to use. B for base point, because I would like to snap to, say for instance, the bottom over here, and then I'm going to indicate my helix, and then it creates the profile around the helix. Let's go spacebar. Caddie asks us indicate the profile. I'm going to say B for base point, snap to the center, and we're going to indicate the helix. There we go. And as we orbit it, you will see that on the left hand side, bottom and top radius the same. On the right hand side, bottom and top radius different.